Hello everyone and welcome to the Market support team. Today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step video on how to open a PAMM account. To get started, please log in into your Domain Markets account, and on the left hand side you can see dashboard. Please click on MT5. Next you're going to want to scroll down to live, and here you'll have your MT5 payment account. If you don't have one, please create one. If you do, then please click on deposit. Next, you're going to want to choose from where you want to move the funds. So if you click on the USD wallet, and then choose the MT5 payment account, and then choose the total amount that you want to transfer, and then click on transfer. Next, you're going to want to click on PAMM. A new window will pop up. And now you can see your payment account number, and you can see the amount of fund that you've transferred.